In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear media cache to fix errors in Premiere Pro. If you've been dealing with weird playback glitches, audio dropouts, red or black frames, or random error messages, a corrupted or overloaded media cache is often the culprit. The cache is a collection of temporary files Premiere Pro creates to help your projects play smoothly. When it gets too full or out of sync, it can slow things down or cause errors. Clearing it is safe and non-destructive, and Premiere will rebuild what it needs automatically. Before we touch any settings, close all open projects in Premiere Pro. This is important because it ensures none of the cache files are in use, which prevents conflicts and lets Premiere remove everything it needs to. If Premiere is still running, that's fine. Just make sure no projects are open. Now, let's get to the media cache controls. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache. On macOS, go to Premiere Pro in the menu bar, choose Preferences, and then Media Cache. This opens the panel that manages where cache lives and how it's cleaned up. Look for the Remove Media Cache Files section and click the Delete button. A dialog will pop up with two choices. The first option is Delete Unused Media Cache Files. This targets cache that's no longer referenced in your project, freeing up space without touching files Premiere still expects to use. It's a good routine cleanup if you're not troubleshooting a major issue. The second option is Delete All Media Cache Files from the system. This wipes everything, including indexes and previews, and is the most thorough reset. Choose this if you're seeing persistent errors, odd behavior after software updates, or inconsistent playback that lighter cleanup hasn't fixed. Once you've chosen the option that fits your situation, click OK to confirm. You may see a progress window as Premiere removes files. Don't worry, this doesn't affect your original media or your project files. After this, the next time you open a project or import media, Premiere will rebuild cache as needed. That can mean the first playback or scrubbing pass is a little slower, and you might notice waveforms or peak files regenerating. That's normal and temporary. To recap, close any open projects, head to Preferences and into Media Cache. Click Delete. Pick between removing unused files or clearing everything, and confirm. This simple maintenance step often resolves stubborn errors and keeps your editing environment running smoothly. If your system starts feeling sluggish again over time, repeating this process can help keep things tidy and efficient.